how to change caption, subtitle, text color, opacity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Hearing Enhancement. And you will see third option is caption preference. Click on caption preference and you will see caption size and style. So if you want to change caption style, click on caption style. You will see 6 different styles is showing here, so you will select any style. After select caption style, you will see caption style is changed. If you want to change caption size and caption text color, so you will see caption size and caption color is and opacity is showing here, so you will select opacity text color from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change caption, subtitle, text color, opacity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.